Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2013 through 2020 Fiat 500L. This system includes three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of 4, and then the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2, available in silver or black, and then the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and 4 of these molded base pads. Both of these items have numbers assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet, which is included with the fit kit, and that helps to guide the correct positioning of the fit kit components on the correct feet. So here's one of the feet. Let me pull off the outer cover. With the outer cover removed, you can see we've already placed a sticker here identifying this particular foot as the front left. And so you would just look on the instruction sheet to see which numbered base pads and door frame brackets are for the front left position. And then you would take that rubber base pad, press it to the underside around the perimeter, and then take the door frame bracket and insert it into this holding assembly with a click. And there you've installed one of the fit kit sets for one of the feet. Now within the foot, you can see there's these 2 silver tabs, and that's what allows you to hold the load bar onto the foot. Let me go ahead and demonstrate that using the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. Here we've cut this down so that you can see the construction. This is extruded aluminum and a box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along the top of the bar to accommodate certain accessories that are compatible with the track. There's 2 separate pieces of rubber, and the hardware slides in between the 2 without having to cut that rubber. This method provides a very clean, integrated way to attach accessories to the bar. Now on the underside of the bar, you have a slot here, and that's what holds the foot to the bar. I'll go ahead and take off the end cap, and here you can see a measuring device, and this measuring device has scale numbers, and again these scale numbers are assigned in the instruction sheet to make sure that you position the foot properly on the bar. So let's do that next. We'll go ahead and take the foot. I'll press in on those silver tabs and then slide the foot onto the bar, and then I'll bring the foot down to the tab so that that fits properly. Now you'll notice there's some exposed track here, so let's go ahead and fill that in with provided rubber. This is just cut to measure to fill in that gap to help you maintain good aerodynamics, good airflow underneath the bar. Then we'll go ahead and replace the end cap. Now, when it's time to tighten this door frame bracket onto the door frame of the vehicle, you use a tool that's included with the foot pack to tighten the fastener. Once it's tightened all the way, this tool has a built-in torque indicator, and it clicks to indicate that you've fully tightened it. Now we can go ahead and replace the outer cover. It just snaps into place. Give that plastic plug a quarter turn to hold it there. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal keyed lock cylinder. These are sold in sets of 4, so you can lock all 4 of your feet. However, you can also purchase bigger sets of matched cylinders so that you can lock your foot pack, all your foot packs, and your various accessories that may be part of Thule's one key system, giving you the ability to lock everything up with just one key. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2013 through 2020 Fiat 500L. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in the video description for all the buying options for this product, as well as more in-depth video for the installation of this on a vehicle. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.